In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur edges in Adobe Express. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express and locating the image you want to work with. This effect works by combining two copies of the same image. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that image is duplicated. Once you have the duplicate, place it directly over the original image so both copies are aligned. This is important because the top image will define the visible shape, while the bottom image will create the soft blurred edge effect underneath. Next, select the top image. Make sure you're working with the duplicate on top, since this is the layer that will be cropped into shape. After selecting it, go to the top toolbar and click Crop. When the crop options appear, look over to the left panel and choose a shape that will trim the edges of your image. For this example, use a rounded square, since it creates a clean frame with softened corners. After choosing the rounded square, click the sliders icon at the top of that panel to fine-tune the shape settings. From there, adjust the corner roundness until it looks the way you want. Then resize the crop directly on your image so the shape fits your composition properly. Take a moment here because the size of this cropped top layer will determine how much of the blurred edge shows around it. Once that looks good, you'll move on to the image underneath. Select the bottom image. If it's difficult to click because the top image is covering it, use the Layers option in the top right corner and select the bottom image from there. That makes it much easier to target the correct layer without accidentally changing the top one. With the bottom image selected, go to the left panel and click Adjust. In the Adjustments panel, scroll down until you find the Details section. Under that section, you'll see the Blur control. Increase the blur using the slider until the outer edges look soft and natural. The amount you choose depends on the look you want, so feel free to adjust it gradually until the effect feels balanced. Usually a moderate blur works best so the edges are softened without making the image look too hazy. And that's it. By cropping the top image and blurring the duplicate underneath, you can create a smooth, blurred edge effect in Adobe Express that looks polished and professional.